Today, we will continue our journey, keep scalping and day trading momentum-based assets. We will rely on our best scalping indicator and strategy. Markets are not easy to trade. We need to focus on more and more specific assets. No more useless talk, let's start now. Render Coin had a spectacular trading example today, one of the A++ setups. In the daily chart, you can notice that price deep dived into this imbalance zone. It also swept the liquidity inside as you notice. So what happened here? In the daily time frame, price is filled up by using imbalance and liquidity combination. And at the top, you can notice these lovely relative equal highs, which is also combined with the previous week high, a strong magnetic target for us. What an amazing daily setup here. I just love this. So we have a full bullish bias on this coin right now. However, the question is, how did we find out about this coin? It did not magically appear on our computers. It is so simple. We just sorted the top gainer coins. And we had a quick momentum layout check with our lovely indicator. This showed us this magnificent trade zone, a multi-level imbalance zone on the top gainer coin. That's it. This is how we find out about this coin under 5 minutes. Now, all we need to observe the entry area and talk about possible entry in the lower time frames. Okay, let's take a look at the close price action now. At the top, we have this optimal target location. This gives us an ultimate target to play with. At the bottom, right around our multi-level imbalance zone, notice how the inner liquidity builds, and price sweeps it. Right after this, a structure shift gives us the first clue about the entry here. This is a very ideal setup for a compact 2R. Plus, we have a more room to play with, so you can push the price a little bit more upwards. Now we need to truly understand the price action here. Let's recap everything we learned. First, our top gainer coin hits this multi-level imbalance zone. So we have an idea about possible trade here. What actually happens here is actually a range and a deviation setup. In our entry location, price sweeps the inner liquidity and changes the inner structure for good. Then it gives you time to play with this 2R compact setup. Again, all this action actually happens at the range deviation location, which is fueled by inner liquidity and imbalance. What a magnificent A++ setup from top-down analysis here. I just loved it. Okay friends, another great lesson ends here. Please stay safe and sound. Be ready for the next video. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you